Okay, so here we go. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2. And then in the second chain from the loop, we're going to insert our hook. But first we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So we have 3 loops on our hook. Then we will yarn over again and basically like chain 1. There we go. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops. So now we can turn our work over and we see this little V here. We're going to yarn over and insert our hook into that V. Let me actually get closer. So here it is. Here's the first loop and here's the next loop. So we're gonna yarn over and insert into those 2 V's. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We just made our second half double crochet. So here's our 1, 2. Let's do it again. So we're gonna yarn over, find those V's, right? So here it is, 1, 2. Insert our hook. I did this kind of tight. Try not to have a tight tension, but if you do, you can use your fingernails to get in there. Okay, good. We're gonna yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, chain 1, then yarn over and pull through 3 loops on our hook. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more. Okay, good. So now I have 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half double crochet stitches. And now I'll show you how to find the 3rd loop. So to find it, it's pretty simple. So here's our front loop, our back loop, and this is the wrong side of the half double crochet stitch. And here's our 3rd loop. So you can do any stitch. Let's do a half double crochet into the 3rd loop only. So we're gonna yarn over, insert our hook into the 3rd loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 to do a half double crochet. So here's our next 3rd loop. Just like that. You can still see it. So this is row 2. This is the wrong side. Okay, when I finish my rows, I always like to just work into the both loops on the last stitch. So this is from row 2. We have this lovely little ribbing stitch. And now again, let's take a look at row 3. So if we look at our stitches, our half double crochet stitches head on, we can see right here that this is the front loop. This is the back loop. So to find our 3rd loop, we just turn it over and we can see here in the front stitch, there it is, the 3rd loop. So we are on row 3, which in this case is the right side, and the 3rd loop is still in the same place for the half double crochet stitch. So we can go ahead and insert our hook into the 3rd loop. Just like that. And then again, on my last stitch, I'm going to insert my hook into the front and back stitch, so into both stitches, just to make it a little cleaner because there's no holes then. All right, great.